Welcome. In this video I will show you how to toggle Intel VTD feature on LENOVO V15. First of all, you're gonna have to enter the BIOS menu on your computer. To do that, power it off completely, then short press the power button to turn it on and start repeatedly pressing F2 button until before it starts booting up. And after a couple of seconds you will see the these BIOS menu screen in front of you. Now here you can navigate using left and right arrow keys to change tab, and down and up arrow keys for changing the option. Enter to select. This way go to the configuration tab, scroll down to Intel VTD feature and press enter to change the value. Now select the value that you need and press enter to confirm. And that's how you make the change. To apply it, press F10 and then enter to confirm. If you want to exit without saving, press escape. If you want to restore default values, press F9. And once you press F9, then press enter to confirm. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.